Hey guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post videos regarding how to make money online. I myself am an indie game developer and I make video games and also make money by selling my video games online. So I thought today is the great day to share the ways you can make money online. So in this video I'll be focusing on how to make money as a content writer. But before that happens, please smash that like button because it helps me with YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe to my channel because I post videos for daily nowadays. I've decided I'll post daily every single day so that I will come up with various ways you can make money online. Okay, so today I'm focusing on this topic where you can make money by writing for other people and for other websites. There are various websites that pays you for like writing blog posts or guest posts like that. So the first website that I'm talking about is called makealivingwriting.com, and this is a website that pays for guest writing. Okay, if you don't know what is guest writing, it is basically the simple thing. You have to write a post as if you are writing a blog post. Okay, if you have never done blogging, no problem. You just have to post about some kind of topic with at least 400 or 300 words or 500 words, depending upon that you will get paid. Okay, depending on the number of words used, and also make sure it is of really good quality, otherwise they might not be not accepted. Okay, so why I pay writers for guest posts? Want to write a guest post for making a living? You have come to the right place for guest post guidelines to pitch your ideas about the business and craft of freelance writing. So their rates is basically simple. They currently pay $75 to $150 for guest posts. Higher fees are for longer, in-depth pieces written on assignment only. So they pay even more than $150 for that. So for instance, if you write at least 10 guest posts on their website within a month, then you can make around even more than $750 to $1,500, and that's a lot of money and a lot of extra money if you want to make. And this might be a great way. These are the following topics they allow, like blogging, how to get more traffic and stuff like that. If you know about marketing tips, something like that, you can post about that in blogging section. Breaking in, copywriting. There are various kinds of topics you can post about, like ghostwriting, editor QS, juggling, make believe, market reports, marketing. So whatever skill you have, it will be really great. And self-publishing and stuff like that. Wow, that's really cool. I think you should check this website down and see what is which topic interests you more, and depending upon that, if you write a really good article, they will pay like $75 to $150 per post, or even higher in case of assignments only. So I think that you should check it out. Now the second site I'm talking about is called Funds for Writers. Okay, it's the submissions, and there are also some contest sponsors, publishers, employers, retreat, grant for. Anyway, in this website you have to write about there's a rule here which you have to follow in this case of website, like fundsforwriters.com. You have to the article should be between 550 and 650 words long. Okay, it should not be more than that or less than that, otherwise your writing will not be eligible. Okay. And each Funds for Writers newsletters lists only one article, short and sweet and to the point. So make each word count and make your writing tight. What is the passive voice? Give it a beginning, middle, and ending. A list of links is not an article. So it must be about earning a living as a writer. So if you're a writer and you are already earning a living out of it, then you can share your experiences on this website, and you'll get paid for that. Instead of book through when we never close the doors to submission, we are particular and just know. So they are really choosy about this. So if you're a really good writer, then probably you should be able to post in this website and get paid. And That's cool. They pay around $50 for unpublished original articles. Like it must be original. That is, you should like, you have to post, you have to write the article only for this website, okay? And that's it. You have to abide by the rule only. And they do not pay via check outside of United States. So I think PayPal is a really good option because PayPal is widely used anyway. So best just check out the rules and before you submit an article for like eligibility. Okay, now the third one that I'm going to talk about is text broker. So it is almost like a freelance website. So there are many content creators and also the people looking for content. You can easily find them in this website. So since you are a content writer, you have to go to this section, like I write content, then you have to go to this section like this, and you can see that they are provided they will provide payments and stuff like that. So now let us take a look at the what kind of payment, like how much they pay for words or something like that. What does Textbroker pay to their freelance authors? Textbrokers offers authors several options to earn money online based on your content quality. Our editors rate your article between 2 and 5 stars. Since Textbroker regularly reviews and rates your article, it is possible to continuously increase your rating and earn more for each word you write. You are your own boss. That's a really good thing, and they provide a lot of freedom to the writers. So that's a really good thing. Your earnings at glance. Open order. Okay, if this order is just open, so it is 70 cents per word, or 0.7 cents. Okay, it is 1 cent per word, 1.4 cents per word, 5 cents per word. That's awesome. That means it depends upon how much rating you get, and if you get 5 star, then it's 5 cents per word. That means if your article has 600 or 500 words, for instance, then you will get around $25, I think. Yeah, 25 or something like that. Yeah, I think so. So this is how you get paid, and it is a different kind of model as you can see. Okay, and direct order, in case of direct order, you will get like 2 cents, and team order are available to any author on the team on a first come first serve basis. The client sets the earning per word for the team, 1.755 cents per word. So this is based upon the cents per word basis. So it depends upon how many words you write and how long the article is. So depending upon that, you will get paid in this website. You can request a payout at any time during the week as long as your Textbroker balance is $10 or more. Payouts are processed twice per week. So that's a really good thing. They process the payout twice, and that's a really awesome thing, I guess. Probably you'll get paid via PayPal, I guess, and I hope they allow PayPal because PayPal is widely used for all. Yes, they allow PayPal methods. So that's a good news, I guess. So this concludes the topic for today, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, please don't forget to smash that like button. It helps us with YouTube algorithm, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post videos regarding how to make money as a writer, or various other kind of like how to make money online. I post videos about that, so that you can check it out, and I'll keep sharing the ways by which you can make money online. And I really don't guarantee that you will make money out of it. You have to try it yourself and see if it works for you. Okay, there's no guarantee that you will make money. So that's a part of a disclaimer. So okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you again in the next video.